My name is Taelor Beeck. I work at a kick-ass restaurant called Zombie Burger. People definitely I feel like notice me a lot, especially living in Iowa. You tend to stand out there.
The woman who describes herself as an individual and weird was stiffed out of the money that people in the service industry rely on.
Yep. And when I first found the receipt, I was very taken aback. They just weren't very friendly. They were didn't like me. They were snickering at me. They left the note that said tips are only for normal looking people. I reached out, I guess, to Facebook because I was so shocked, and I just posted it on there. And it ended up blowing up immediately. It was crazy. People were sharing it, commenting on it. So much positivity came out of that. I can't even be mad about it. Anyone can look a certain way. It doesn't really define who they are at all. But it definitely does not make me who I am. I just think it makes me more of who I am. Screw those haters. Just be yourself.